How to add multiple enchantments level 255 on Minecraft. Hey guys, today I'll show you how you can redeem multiple enchantments level 255 on Minecraft. So to get started, let's begin by enabling cheats in your Minecraft world. To do this, pause your game and select Open to LAN. In the menu that appears, make sure the Allow Cheats option is set to on, then click Start LAN World. This step is essential as it gives you access to commands which are required for this method to work. Now, there will be a command showing on screen, so go ahead and pause the video and copy the command. Once you've done that, return to Minecraft and press the T key on your keyboard to open the chat window. You can then paste the command using Ctrl+V. Before pressing enter, make sure to review the command. This is where you can customize both the item and the enchantment type to suit your needs. For example, you could give yourself a sword with sharpness 255 or boots with unbreaking 255. After making the necessary changes, simply press enter and the enchanted item will be instantly added to your inventory. It's that easy. Keep in mind, enchantments at this level far exceed what's normally possible in survival mode, so they're best used for fun in creative mode or private custom worlds. That's it and thanks. I will catch you all in the next video.